Hi. So another realization came to me while I was trying to leave, and I was just like, "Crap! This is something we should talk about." So yeah, let's get into it. So the thing is, in the previous video, I spoke about the feeling of unfamiliarity you might feel when you feel around someone safe, and you just don't know what safe feels like, and you're just like, what is this? This is foreign, this is not right, and you just get triggered. And the thing is, I actually spoke of be careful, because sometimes it can be your gut feeling telling you you're in danger. Sometimes it is the fact that you just don't know the feeling of being safe. So it's just unfamiliar, it's foreign to you. So it's not your fault, but you should be wary whether it's fear-based mentality, or if it is your instinct and your knowledge and your experience. And suddenly in my head, kind of something popped up. It is this case of this guy who people were saying, oh, the female gaze, and the guy seemed sexy for some people, but I was creeped out. I was genuinely creeped out. And that's the difference. This is the thing. I would never, never, never recommend you to just abandon your gut feeling. Your gut feeling is the one thing that will save your life. Always. It's better safe than sorry. And my gut feeling, just when I saw that man on my screen, I was like, he reminded me so badly to my dad and to my two half brothers. It was triggering in so many levels, and I was like, what do these people see on this blue-eyed demon? It's just, with all due respect to the poor individual, but he triggered me in so many levels. My gut feeling was just like, neo, 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 this danger, danger. This is, it's not stranger danger, this is relative danger. That you know this shit. This is not a drill. We have been through this before. This is like your family. No, stay away from that man. That is not sexy. And good thing is, I'm kind of a, I'm walking away from Freudian theories, in which he said people, things, and girls fell in love with their fathers. He was a good thing that made me realize I'm actually trying to walk away as far away from my father as I can. I'm having an active reaction to anything that seems to look like my father, and it is working, because it was later on known that that man unfortunately was apparently abusive and made some questionable comments about women, and he was apparently abusive to his girlfriend. Apparently, it's just allegedly, but I went to comment sections and I was like, there were plenty of us who were actually creeped out by that man. And something I have realized about certain things in life is that people don't tend to see some red flags unless they have been through those red flags. In my case, it was my family. And I try to avoid them as much as I can. And I was so proud of myself when I was like, I saw the red flag and I just acknowledged it. I just knew the truth. I knew it. I felt like the tinfoil hat again. Like, I knew this. I knew it. I was right. That man was. It was something to be wary of. It had a red flag all over his face, and I was so proud of myself. I was so proud of myself because my gut feeling worked, and I was so proud of myself. So yeah, I would never tell you to underestimate your gut feeling. Always be wary, of course. What I meant with the last video, and I would like to clarify, and that clarifies that there can be always possibility we are afraid of safe people because they're unfamiliar, not because they're dangerous. And we should always be kind enough to ourselves and to others to give them a chance at least to make a mistake at times. Try to make sure you're not that deep into a relationship. Okay, try to go slowly and analyze these circumstances and, testing people. I know that some people don't like testing, but I don't know. Try to see how they react when you tell them no, or when you just don't want to do something, they just go over your boundaries, or when they just start making jokes, and they just joke about your weight and your things, and just, you know, there's a million red flags people tend to ignore at the beginning of a relationship, and it's just all over the place. Just, I will never tell you to dismiss your good instinct, because your instinct will keep you alive. Will be the only thing that will keep you alive in the rest of your life. But at the same time, don't try to have the criteria and the nuance. The nuance. Once again, the word of the day is nuance, and moderation seems to be the topic of these videos. All of these videos I've been talking about the same topic. Look how big this looks. I'm so proud of myself. Don't try to be dismissive towards the red flags, but always be nuanced enough not to miss out on a good relationship just because you are an emotional burned victim. You have been burned emotionally and psychologically, and on the basis of that, you're just more sensitive. And things that are foreign to you, you're gonna be afraid of them. Try not to. Try to slowly but surely work on that. That way, your brain can react from knowledge, not from fear. Try to act from the awareness that it can be something unfamiliar, but without disregarding your instincts, your good first instinct. When you see someone and they just creep you out, walk away, walk away, walk away. There's something funky about that person, just walk away. Okay? it's better safe than sorry. Okay? Always keep nuance. And if someone's trying to rush you into anything, walk away. It's not worth it. It's better to sometimes just miss out on that. So yeah, stay safe, people. Be wary, be careful, and always be mindful. It's just there is good people out there, but there is also evil people. So don't disregard your good instincts. Your gut feeling is the most important thing. If you don't want to get shot, stick to your gut. Okay? Your gut feeling is important. Stick to it religiously. And it's the only thing that's going to keep you safe. And if something really creeps you out, I've been there where people just tell me, oh, you're just judgmental, you give them a chance. I have regretted those chances so badly. I have regretted and dreaded people telling me those things. That's like a collective gaslighting in which people just tell you, oh, come on, how could it be that you just don't like it? You're just being judgmental. No, I have experience. I have survived some people, okay? Stay away from people that creep the crap out of you. Just stay safe, okay? Please be safe and take care. Till next time, I wish you nothing but the best, and take care of yourselves. Okay? Bye-bye.